Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW 2 Series key. Press the small release tab, pull out the emergency key, then use the key to open the fob seam gently with steady pressure. Slide the cover back and lift to expose the battery compartment, then remove the old battery by prying at the notch. Keep screws and clips safe, avoid forcing parts, and work on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Use a CR 2450 or CR 2032, depending on your fob type, and check the imprint on the battery before buying. To replace the battery, note the polarity, slip the new cell into the slot with the positive side up, and press gently until it clicks into place. Test the remote functions from a short distance and reassemble the housing carefully to ensure waterproof seals align correctly. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling point. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more DIY key tips. Also, a short ad: I recently read a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that reframed smart saving and spending for me, and it pairs well with avoiding costly dealer trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, consider grabbing a copy, and now let's get back to the video. In case the cover is stuck, warm the fob slightly with your hands and pry gently at the seam using a plastic spudger to avoid damage. If the remote does not work after battery replacement, try reseating the battery and checking for corrosion on contacts, then hold the unlock button near the car to resync. For persistent failures, consult a dealer or locksmith for programming and key blade cutting and diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.